Welcome to the best picks. The best 5000W Ebike kit is probably one of the most exhilarating ways to experience the thrill of electric biking. With its powerful motor, this kit transforms your ordinary bicycle into a high-performance machine, offering incredible speed and acceleration. Whether you're looking to conquer challenging terrains or simply enjoy a faster commute, this kit delivers an unmatched riding experience. Number 5. NBPOWER 3000W Ebike Conversion Kit, 26-inch rear. Looking for a powerful e-bike upgrade? This kit is perfect for converting your bike. It offers a significant boost in speed and performance. This kit is designed to fit bikes with a 135mm rear fork distance. It's a straightforward installation process, ensuring a secure fit for your bike. The kit includes a sine wave controller for smooth and efficient power delivery. This controller is housed in a protective bag, ensuring durability and longevity. The TFT UKC1 color display provides all the information you need at a glance. It's easy to read and keeps you informed about your ride. Experience the thrill of 3000W power with this conversion kit. It's designed for speed, allowing you to reach speeds up to 100 km/h. It's a great way to enhance your riding experience. This kit features a single-speed freewheel. It's a reliable component that contributes to the overall performance of the e-bike conversion. What we like. This kit features a smooth sine wave controller for a quieter and more efficient ride. The vibrant TFT UKC1 color display provides clear information at a glance. If you're looking for a balance of performance and user-friendly design, this kit is a great choice. What people say. As stated in previous reviews, this 3000W kit has surprising strong torque and speed. The motor is amazing, it has a great solid feel and it's extremely fast and torquey. The controller display made it surprisingly easier than most bikes to make adjustments. Number 4. Sabvoton 20-inch 3000W Electric Fat Bike Conversion Kit. This electric fat bike conversion kit is designed for ultimate performance. It features a powerful 3000W motor, ready to transform your ride. The Sabvoton programmable controller provides precise control. It handles up to 80 amps DC current and 200 amps phase current, ensuring optimal efficiency. The kit includes a 72V TFT UKC1 color display. It provides all the information you need at a glance, making your ride easier. The rear wheel is designed with a 170 to 175mm dropout. Waterproof cables protect the whole system, ensuring longevity. This kit comes with a 7-speed freewheel and twist throttle. It also includes an alarm lock function for added security. What we like. This kit boasts a high-quality Sabvoton programmable controller for customizable performance. Waterproof cables ensure durability in various conditions, and the alarm lock function adds security. If you prioritize control, reliability, and security for your e-bike, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Paired with a 72V30 50 BMS tuned controller down to 50 amps, tweaked a few settings, hit 55 miles per hour. I installed it on a 4-year-old Raydunner. I've been very pleased with the company. And was great to work with. She returns all of your emails. Delivery was on time. I love the Bluetooth programmable controller. I use my e-bike on very rugged backwoods terrain. This motor has been holding up. They gave guidance the whole way through the order and gave me advice on the install since I have no idea what I'm doing, and plus they sold me a battery. They are very reliable. The kit is very powerful. If you want a powerful kit, get this one. Their customer service is amazing. Number 3. NBPOWER Stealth Bomber Ebike Frame. Introducing the NBPOWER Stealth Bomber Ebike Frame, a top choice for electric mountain bike enthusiasts. This frame is designed for 3000W to 8000W electric bicycle DIY kits. It's a robust and reliable option for your e-bike conversion. The frame is constructed from durable steel, ensuring longevity and performance. It features a strong 4mm ABS plus PMMA anti-scratch glossy plastic cover. This combination provides both protection and a sleek look. This frame is compatible with rear shocks ranging from 190mm to 240mm. This allows for a customized riding experience, letting you tailor the suspension to your specific needs and preferences. The head tube is designed for a 1.18-inch non-integrated steering tube. It measures 130 mm in length, providing a stable and responsive steering experience. This design ensures compatibility with a wide range of components. Get yours shipped directly from the USA warehouse. This ensures fast and efficient delivery, so you can start building your dream e-bike sooner. It's a convenient and reliable service. What we like. This kit includes a robust steel frame, perfect for withstanding the rigors of off-road adventures. With shipping from a USA warehouse, you'll get it quickly. If you're looking for a durable frame and fast delivery, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The kit was easy to install. The motor is very powerful. The battery life is excellent. Number 2. NBPOWER 5000W Electric Fat Bike Conversion Kit. This is the NBPOWER 5000W Electric Fat Bike Conversion Kit. It's designed for those who crave power and speed on their bikes. It's a great way to upgrade your ride. The kit features a high-quality Sabvoton controller. It handles up to 100 amps of DC current and 200 amps of phase current. This ensures efficient power delivery and control. Experience thrilling speeds with this kit. It can reach a maximum speed of 100 km/h. Get ready for an exhilarating ride. The kit includes a 36V, 72V TFT color display. This provides clear and easy-to-read information about your ride. It keeps you informed at a glance. The system uses waterproof cables for durability and reliability. It also comes with an alarm lock function for added security. This ensures the safety of the bike. The kit is designed for a 26 by 4.0 rear wheel with a 170 to 175 mm dropout. It is a single-speed freewheel. It's perfect for fat bike conversions. What we like. This kit comes with a high-quality Sabvoton controller for powerful and efficient performance. Waterproof cables ensure reliability, and the TFT color display provides clear information. If you value top-tier components and a user-friendly experience, you should consider this one. What people say. Bike is heavy but decently fast from 0 to 45. Heavy torque. Display reads over 9,000 watts off the line. I injected Statorade and haven't had an issue since. Number 1. NBPOWER QSV 3205 72V 5000W Ebike Rear Motor Wheel. Introducing the NBPOWER Ebike Motor Wheel. This powerful motor wheel is designed for high performance. It's perfect for those seeking an upgrade. This motor features a QS205V3 5000W brushless hub motor. It offers a dropout of 150 to 155 mm. This ensures a perfect fit for your e-bike. It comes with a Sabvoton 72V 100 amp sine wave controller. This controller is programmable, allowing you to customize your ride. It provides smooth and efficient power delivery. The TFT colorful UCK1 display provides all the information you need. It's easy to read and keeps you informed about your speed and battery life. Featuring hydraulic disc brakes with cutoff power. This ensures reliable stopping power and enhances safety. It gives you confidence on every ride. Experience speeds of 100 to 110 km/h with this motor wheel. It delivers thrilling performance. Get ready for an exciting ride. What we like. This kit features a powerful QSV3 5000W motor for incredible speed and acceleration. Hydraulic disc brakes provide superior stopping power. If you crave thrilling performance and top-of-the-line braking, this kit will not disappoint. What people say. It's plenty zippy and has a great top speed. Smooth ride, sturdy, looks awesome too. The settings are already pre-programmed for your motor, so you will not need to worry about that. Overall pretty much plug-and-play system. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.